on YouTube. Welcome to the Fisher YouTube channel. My name is Brian. First thing I'd like to specify that this is not my room, so if you catch any glimpses of canvases with dresses and flowers on, I'd like to notify you that this is my girlfriend's room that I'm currently recording this from. In this video, the video at the beginning of this, by the way, was after I fixed the fuel pump in the part 1 of this video series. So I didn't get that in the first video, so I thought I'd put it at the beginning of this one. In this video, we're going to be taking that big yellow cover off the top of the motor, generator, sorry. And then we're also going to take the end cap off the generator and have a look at the armature. So we're going to be fixing the switch gear and just taking a quick look at the armature, seeing what's what. And then we're going to give it a good steam clean off as well. At the end of this video, I'm also going to put a clip where I'm burning the first ever rod with it as well that I've ever burnt with it. So I thought I'd put that at the end, seeing as I'd imagine that 99% of the people that are going to be watching this video will have seen an electrode being burnt. So yeah, enjoy. Cheers for now. Nice. There you go. How cool is that? You got your selector lever there, and it just switches it over onto these tabs here, and then you got a spring detent down there. Let's see if I can point it out for you. That's the spring detent there. That's a little wheel that goes onto a cog. You see the cog there? That's what's seized, looking at it anyway, because it spins up until you get to the detent. So get some penetrating fluid on that, put some contact cleaner on these faces here. That'll help that quite a bit. I don't really want to mess around too much in here. If it works, it works. That's the way I'm looking at it. Like a new one. See if I can get that for you. Job's a good one.
Might just take this front cover off, and it's only got 2 screws. That one's snapped. Don't know if that one's snapped under there. Just have to undo these 3 bolts here. I'll have a go, but I don't really want to push it too far. I don't want to snap anything. We'll see if it. It's all going far too well. Right, I've taken the end cap off. That's a fair old armature. Brushes. I've given these tensioners here, I gave these a real gentle dosing of penetrating fluid. I don't want it too much because I don't want it all over brushes to contaminate them. And then I gave the brushes themselves a right good dosing with some contact cleaner, electrical contact cleaner. I also gave the copper a bit as well. The main reason I took the cover off, I was going to take it off anyway, but the main reason I did definitely decide to take it off was because there's some bare wires there, which aren't a good thing, obviously. So I've traced them, and one of them goes, see that screw there, just there, don't know if the lens will focus on it. No, it's not going to, but you can see it there when my finger's pointing. And then the other one goes to that one there as well. So I'll have to replace them. Not in any rush to do that as of yet. I'll leave that that can go for another day. Obviously I'm going to do it before I use it. And then they go, one of them goes to this screw here, and then the other one goes onto this bolt here. So I'll replace them. And I don't really want to undo this bolt here because it's a little bit knackered. So I might just undo it here, get a new block, terminal block, and put some heat shrink over the top of this, and put it onto a new block. This lead goes to the control module. I'll replace this lead because, as you can see, it's knackered anyway. So But we're getting there. She's starting to get to the point where, after I've replaced them wires, really, there's no reason why she wouldn't run. Looks like at some point in its life, I was talking to my dad about it because I couldn't work out why this cap had a hole punched in it, because it had the engine cover over the top of it and everything like that. So, and he said he wonders if a chain snapped at some point in its life, and when it snapped, it's shot through there, which would make sense because that foot there is bent. It's almost like it's dropped down onto that side when the chain snapped. So, but although it's not pretty, it's functional, so it's staying like that. Happy days. 500 amps of raw DC power. We hope. You another look at that.
Right, there you have it. That's that done. Quick note about the clip at the beginning of this video. I am amazed that it actually ran, and you'll find out why in a later episode. It's pretty impressive that it ran in the condition it was in. Next video, I am hoping to get into the next video the narrowing of the frame. I narrow that down, and also the rewiring of those wires I was on about in this video. I'm hoping to get that all in one. I don't want them to be too long, the videos. And that's about it, really. I hope you enjoyed this one. It's pretty much I've got there's a bit of there's a pipe outlet for the cooling system, which I've had to modify. I'll see if I can get that in that video as well. If you like what you see, please like, comment, subscribe. It's appreciated. Cheers for now.